Many Windows 11 users have experienced various Bluetooth audio issues shortly after upgrading their computers to the latest operating system version. Now, if you're one of those, here's how to fix it. Firstly, run the Bluetooth and audio troubleshooters. To do so, navigate to Settings, select System, and click on Troubleshooter. Then click on Other Troubleshooters and run the Bluetooth troubleshooter. After that, run the Playing Audio troubleshooter as well. Next, run the Hardware and Devices troubleshooter. To do it, launch the command prompt with admin rights. Then run this command to launch the Hardware and Devices troubleshooter and wait until the troubleshooter scans your device. Once done, you have to check for the results. Next, disconnect all the peripherals connected to your machine to ensure that they're not interfering with your Bluetooth audio devices. Now, after doing that, update your operating system, applications, and drivers to the latest version. Then, check if you notice any changes. Now, those are the ways on what you can do if your Bluetooth audio is not working. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.